Good morning, children. So, last class we have discussed about the identity. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to thrice abc. So, we'll be doing two more sums on this identity. So, as I have told you that if you get the sum of three different cubes, like minus 1.2 cube, 1 cube plus 0.2 cube, that time you will take this is A, this will be B, this will be C, and then you will add it, and then you should get 0. Once the result is 0, then the formula comes A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice A, B, C. Let us do it. So, equals minus 1.2 whole cube. So, the power is odd, the sign will be minus. So, 1.2 whole cube plus 1 cube plus 0.2 whole cube. Now you take this as A, this will be B, this will be C. So let A equals to minus 1.2, B is 1, and C is 0.2. Now A plus B plus C equals, so A is minus 1.2 plus B is 1 plus C is 0.2. So you will get minus 1.2 plus, to add this 2 you will get 1.2. So you got 0, negative, positive. Since A plus B plus C is 0, if A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice ABC. So therefore, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice ABC. So here A means minus 1.2 whole cube plus B cube means 1 cube plus 0.2 whole cube equals to thrice into A. So A is minus 1.2. This is A. So minus 1.2 into 1 into 0.2. So A, B, C. So B is 1, C is 0.2 minus. Plus into minus minus. So 12 into 3, 36. Into 2, 72. So 72. So the point will move after. So there is one digit there is one, so it will be 2. So it will be minus 0.72. This is the formula. So answer. So if you get the sum of three different cubes, then you take first one is A, next one is B, next one is C, then you add A plus B plus C, you will get 0. Once you get the result 0, then you take the formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice ABC and multiply thrice ABC. So here A is minus 1.2, B is 1, C is 0.2. Then you got the result minus 0.72. Second one, say it is given x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube, z plus z minus x whole cube. Here you see they have given the sum of three different cubes. So 1, 2, 3. So the same case, you will take this as A, this will be B, this will be C. Then you add A plus B plus C. So let A equals to x minus y, B equals to y minus z, and C equals to z minus x. Now you add A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C equals to x minus y. A plus B y minus z plus C. So z minus x. So it will be x minus y plus y plus into minus minus z plus z plus into minus minus x. So plus x minus z plus z minus 1 plus 1, you have got 0. So if A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice ABC. So therefore A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice ABC. What is here A cube, B cube, C cube? It is A cube, it is B cube, it is C cube, because we have assumed as A, B and C. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to thrice A. So A is x minus y, B is y minus z, and C is z minus x. This is your answer. So this question can be also given as factor x. That time the same procedure you will be doing it. Let us take one more identity. So you have got it that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc equals to, you got a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So it will be ca. So based on this, you will be doing from your textbook exercise 2.5, question number, it is 12. So it is given that verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus thrice xyz equals to half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So you are to verify. Now, so from left hand side you are to get the right hand side. So here x cube y cube z cube minus thrice xyz can be compared with this first line. So here if a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc gives a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So here left hand side x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus thrice xyz equals to. So you can compare these x, y, z with a, b, c. So from a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice a, b, c, you can get a plus b plus c. So this is a, this is b, this is c. So you take this x as a, y as b, z will be c. So it will be a plus b plus c into, so go serially, x square plus y square plus z square. So it will be x square plus y square plus z square. Just like a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. So minus, so ab, that means x1, minus yz minus zx. Now, so from this identity, you have got this line. Now you see there is one half. So what do we do? By just seeing this right hand side, there is one half. So I took half, then x plus y plus z into, I will take here 2. Just I have made it balanced. If you cancel it, you will get 1. And here it will be x square, this line. So x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Just you see, if I cancel it, you will get the same result like this. The same step you will get. So you will not cancel it, you will just keep it, So the result is the same result. By seeing this half, I took half, but at the same time multiplied 2. So now it will be half x plus y plus z into, so multiply by 2 all the terms. So twice x square plus twice y square plus twice z square minus twice xy. So it will be twice xy minus twice yz minus twice z. So twice zx. now equals to half of x plus y plus z. What we will do is, children, just you expand this one, then you will see you will get this result. Just to expand a minus b whole square. So x minus y whole square is in the form a minus b whole square. So this will be then x square minus twice xy plus y square. So it will be x square minus twice xy plus y square. So you have used the identity a minus b whole square. So you got this. Similarly, you just expand it. So a minus b whole square. You will get y square minus twice yz plus z square. So using a minus b whole square plus, so z minus x whole square. So it will be z square minus twice zx plus x square. So complete it. Now you see, let us add. This one is okay. These are all the plus sign. All the parts are separated by plus sign. So you have expanded x minus y whole square in the form a minus b whole square. So similarly y minus z whole square and then z minus x whole square using a minus b whole square. Now x square plus into plus, so x square plus x square, you will get twice x square. So x square plus into plus x square plus x square, you will get twice x square. Y square plus y square, you will get twice y square. Z square plus z square, you will get twice z square. Then minus twice xy minus twice yz minus twice zx. That means adding all the terms, you have got this step. That means this means this step. How did you get this step? You have just expanded this tree. So a minus b square form. So you got this, and then just to add and see all the terms, you will get this expression. So twice x square plus twice y square plus twice z square minus twice xy minus twice yz minus twice zx. Now equals to, so half into x plus y plus z into, so a square minus twice c plus b square form. The form is a minus b whole square form. So it will be x minus y whole square, because twice cd is minus, plus, so here twice cd is minus, so it will be y minus z whole square. So here also twice ab is minus, so it will be z minus x whole square. So you got the right hand side. So let us discuss again. Using this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc, you have just expanded this step. So x plus y plus z, just like a plus b plus c. So x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus, so just you write ab, then you write bc, then ch. So minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then I took half by seeing this right hand side. So I took the half. So half of x plus y plus z. Then I took here 2, multiply 2. Because if you cancel this 2, you will get this step. If you cancel this 2, you will get the same step as like the first step. But you will not cancel. So now you are going to multiply. So twice x square, twice y square, twice z square minus twice xy, twice yz, then twice zx. Now this is kept the same. Then just have expanded all this tree using the formula a minus b whole square. So you took it. So now here x square minus twice xy plus y square. Next one, y minus z whole square. So it is y square minus twice yz plus z square plus z minus x whole square. So z square minus twice zx plus x square. Add all the terms according to their like terms. You will get this step. That means if you add all these terms, you will get this line. That means this step is equivalent to this step. Then from this you got x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square. This one z minus x whole square. So it is verified equals to RHS. RHS. So you will need practice. Now today we are going to discuss question number 15. Question number 15. We have done till question number 14. Now question number 15. So here they have given that find the length and the breadth for which the areas of rectangles are given. So they have given the areas of rectangle. You are to find the length and the breadth. So for this they have for this you are to factorize it and you will get two factors. One will be length, second will be breadth. So here they have given that give the possible expressions for the length and breadth of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. So area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So we know it. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So you are to find the possible dimensions. Dimensions means the length and the breadth. For this, you will need two different factors. So now, number one, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to 25a squared minus 35a plus 12. So here, let us see. They have given three terms. This is the perfect square, but this is not the perfect square. As I told you that if you do a factorization, if the terms are three, first you see whether any two terms are perfect squares or not. If they are perfect square, this one is perfect square, but this 12 is not a perfect square. So you cannot use the perfect square method. So here the only method is you are going to split this middle term, that is 35. 35 is the middle term. So you are going to split 35. So for this, you take the coefficient of a square, that is 25, and you take the constant 12. So 25 into 12, 25 into 12. So 25 you just find out the factors, 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 25. 12 is 3 into 4. So 25 into 12, 25 into 12. Factors of 25, 5 into 5. Factors of 12, 3 into 4. Let us now see. Say 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 you got 15. Then 5 into 4. 5 into 4 you got 20. 5 into 4, 20. Just to add it, you will get 35. So you got 35. How did you get? 25 into 12. So 25 into 12. Factors of 25, 5 into 5. Factors of 12, 3 into 4. Then 5 into 3 you do 50. 5 into 4, 20. Add it. So 20 plus 15, 35. So you got 35. So now you are going to simplify using factorization, that is by the method of splitting the middle term. So here 20 plus 50. So 20 plus 15 you get 35. So 20 plus 15 So A, so 35a plus 12. So 20 plus 15, 35a. So equals to 25a square minus 20a. 20a minus into plus minus 15a plus 12. Between these two terms, the highest common factor is 5a because 20 and 25 both are divisible by 5, and the lowest power of between this a is the power 1. So it will be 5a. So 5 into 5, 25a. So 5a into 5a, 25a square minus 5 into 4, 20. So 4 into 5a. 4 into 5, 28. So 28 minus. Between 15 and 12, the common is 3. So both the numbers are divisible by 3. So 5a. 3 into 5a, 15a. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. So 3 4s are 12. So you have seen that you have got a common factor. So your factorization is perfect. So equals to 5a minus 4. So you took one common factor into 5a minus 3. Now the question asked is give the possible length and the breadth. So the dimensions are this and this. Just like length into breadth. So you can say that this is length or breadth or length or breadth. So these are the possible dimensions. Therefore possible dimensions of rectangle are, so 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. So these are the, so they are the possible dimensions. That means length and breadth. If this is length, this will be breadth. If you say that this is length, this is breadth. So that is why we will say the possible dimensions. So this and this. Let us take the second one, area. Second one, that is 15 to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So you are to find the length and the breadth. That is the possible dimensions, which means the length and the breadth. Area means 2 dimension. So length and the breadth. So again here you will do it factorization. So you see these numbers are not perfect squares. So you are going to split the middle term. As 35 is not a perfect square and 12 is also not a perfect square. So that is why you are going to split this middle term, that is 30. So the same way, constant is 12, coefficient of y square is 35. So 35 into 12. Factors of 35, 5 into 7. 5 into 7, 35. Of 12, 3 into 4, 12. Now let us exchange. Suppose 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15. Then 7 into 4, 7 into 4 equal 28. I have taken 5 with 3, 7 with 4. 5 into 3, 15. 7 into 4, 28. Then 28 minus 15. 28 minus 15. So you got 30. That means this is the, that means 28 minus 15 equals to 30. That means you are going to split this middle term by 2 terms, 28 and 15. So equals to 35y square plus 30. 28 minus 50. So 28 minus 50, you got 30y minus 12 equals to 35y square plus 28y plus into minus minus 15y minus 12. Now the highest common factor between these two is 7y. 7 is the highest number that will divide both these numbers. So it will be 7y. Y means this is the lowest power. So here y. So 7 5y. 7 into 5 35. Y into y square plus 4. 4 into 7 28y. 4 into 7y 28y minus. Between 15 and 12, the highest common factor is 3. So it will be 5y. 3 into 5y, 15y, minus into plus, minus 3 4s. So you have got a common factor, that is 5y plus 4. Equals to 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. 7y minus 3. So here the possible length and breadth, you can take this is the length, this is the breadth, or this is the length, this is the breadth. So here we will not say as the length and the breadth, we will say the possible dimensions. Therefore, possible dimensions are, so this 5y plus 4, 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. So this and this. So length into breadth or length into breadth. So these are the possible dimensions of rectangle. So how I took 35 into 12, 35 into 12, factors of 35, 5 into 7, 35, factors of 12, 3 into 4, 12. Now you just exchange 5 into 3, 15, 7 into 4, 28, subtract them, 20 minus 15, you got 13. So in place of 13, 28 minus 15, then simplify. You should get a common factor. So the common factor is 5y plus 4. So 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. So they are the possible dimensions. Let us take the last question of this chapter, that is question number 16. So here it is given, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below. Now here they have given the volume of cuboid. So volume means length, breadth, height. There is a cuboid. So you are to find their dimensions. That means length, breadth and height. So that is you need 3 factors. So here volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. So here the factor is 3. Length is length, breadth and height. So you will need to tell 3 factors. Number 1, volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid equals to, it is 3x squared minus 12x so equals to, so here you see, if you have the common factor, so you will take, so here between these two terms the highest common factor is 3x, because 12 and 3 divisible by 3 and the lowest power between this x is 1, so you will take x, so it will be 3x. Now so here x into x squared, so 3x squared minus, it will be 4 into 3x 12x, 4 into 3 12x, so 12x. So here that means 3 into x minus 4. So after this we can simplify. So the possible dimensions of cuboid are, so you take as length, breadth and height, or say length, breadth, height, or length, breadth and height. So that is why you will say simply dimension. So here 3x and x minus 4. So these are the three possible dimensions you have got from this term, from this expression. So length, breadth, height. So length, breadth, height. Let us take the second one. So you take the second one. It is 12k y square plus 8ky minus 20k. So the same question, you are to find the possible dimensions of the cuboid, which means they have given the volume. You are to find length, breadth and height. So equals, between these three terms the highest common factor is, so 12, 8 and 20, these three numbers are divisible by the highest factor, that is 4. So you will take 4. So in all the three terms there is k. So k, k and k. So you take a k common. So 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12. So 12k, 12k it will be y square. 3 into 4, 12, k y square plus, so it will be 2y. 4 into 2, 8 ky minus, it will be 5. 5 into 4k, so 5 into 4, 20k. So 20k equals to, now you are going to split this middle term, factorization. So 4k into, so the constant is 5 and the coefficient of y square is 3, so 5 into 3. So you got 15. So the constant is 5, coefficient of y square is 3. So 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, you got 2. So there is 2. So that means this middle term 2 can be split in the form of 5 minus 3. So 5 into 3, 15. So 5 minus 3. So you have got 2. So there is 2. So 3y square plus, so here 2 means 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3y minus 5 equals to 4k into 3y square plus 5 into y, 5y plus into minus 3y minus 5 equals to, so it will be 4k into, between these two terms the highest common factor is y. Between these two terms, so there is 3y square plus 5y, so the highest common factor is y. So it will be 3y. So y into y square. So 3y square plus 5. 5 into y, 5y minus. There is no common factor between 3y and 5. So you will take 1. So it will be 1. 1 into 3y, 3y. Minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. 1 into 5, it will be 5. So you have got a common factor 3y plus 5. So equals to 4k into, so 3y plus 5, one of the common factor you take, into y minus 1. So y minus 1. So here, as they have told you, as they have given the volume of cuboid, which means dimension is 3, length, breadth, height. So you can say now length, breadth, height. That means we will share the possible dimensions. So therefore, possible dimensions of cuboid are, say it is 4k, then 3y plus 5, then y minus 1. So y minus 1. Assuming as length, breadth, height. So you have completed this chapter. I will be doing 2 more extra sums. And in the last, so in the next class we will be doing chapter number 3, that is coordinate system. Let me take one extra question. So extra question. Determine whether p of x equals to 3x squared plus 6x minus 24 has x minus 2 a factor or not. A factor or not. You are to determine whether the polynomial p of x 3x squared plus 6x minus 24 has x minus 2 a factor or not. If x minus 2 has to be the factor of p of x, by putting the value of x in place of means x, by putting 2, if you get the result 0, then yes, x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. But if you get the result other than 0, then x minus 2 will not be the factor of p of x, because if you divide by the long division process and then you see, if by dividing at last you get the remainder 0, that means the number is actually divisible. Supposing 6 is a, you are dividing 24 by 6, so 6 4s are 24, so you got the remainder 0. In that case 6 is the factor of 24. But if you divide 24 by 5, then you will get remainder 4, which means 24 is not exactly divisible by 5. So the same case, if you get the result here 0, then this will be the factor. If you get the result other than 0, then this will not be the factor of p of x. Here the divisor is x minus 2. So you put the divisor equals to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, x equals to 2. So therefore p of 2. So in place of x, you have put 2. So all these x will be replaced by 2. So equals to 3 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 minus 24. So 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 12. 2 squared 4, 4 into 3, 12. 6 into 2, 12 minus 24. So you got 12 plus 12, 24 minus 24. So you got 0. That means this 0 it implies remainder. So since the remainder is 0, therefore x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. So you have got this knowledge using the from the factor theorem. So factor theorem. But by just putting 2, say you have got say like 1 by 2. That means you did not get 0. Then this will not be the factor of p of x. You will have to write every time the factor theorem if the word factor comes. Factor. One more. Find the remainder. These are all extra questions I give it to you. You will get it in the PDF file, all these things. So find the remainder. Remainder when p of x is divided by g of x. G of x. is P of x equals to, say, 4x cube minus 12x squared plus 14x minus 3, g of x, so twice x minus 1. Now here they have said you are to find the remainder where p of x is divided by g of x. So you are not going to use the long division process, you are going to use the remainder theorem. So that is why this is the divisor, so you make the divisor equals to 0. So here, suppose this is the solution. So p of x, this is the dividend, you will divide by g of x, which means twice x minus 1 divisor. So twice x minus 1 equals to 0, twice x is equal to 1, x is equal to half. So in place of x, so you will put half. So you will find the remainder. So therefore remainder is equal to p of half. So in place of x, that is half. So it will be 4 into, so all this x will be replaced by half. So 1 by 2 whole cube minus 12 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. So here 2 sevens. But you cannot cancel by 2 because there is 2 square. So it will be 4 into 1. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube it will be 8. Because 2 into 2 into 2 it will be 8. So 12 into 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4 plus 7 into 1 7 minus 3. So now you cancel it. 4 3s are 4 2s are 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 7, it will be plus 1. So equals to, LCM will be 2, LCM is 2. So it will be 1 plus 2, you will get 3 by 2. So your remainder is 3 by 2. Also, if you divide this p of x by g of x using the long division process, you will get exactly 3 by 2. Say one more, factorize. So it is number 1. Say 27x cubed plus 5 root 5y cubed. So these are all the questions I am giving from outside. So you will get it all this in your file. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So equals to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this is your formula. So a cube plus b cube, you will make this as a cube. How? Thrice x whole cube and 5 root 5. So 5 root 5 equals to 5 into root 5. What is here 5? So root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5, you will get root 25. So root 25 means 5. So into this is root 5. So you have multiplied root 5 3 times. So you got root 5 whole cube. So that means 5 root 5 equals to root 5 whole cube. So this will be now, this is a cube. 3 cube 27x cube. So a cube plus 5 root 5, it is root 5 whole cube. Root 5, y is outside the root. Y will be outside the root. So it will be b cube. So a cube, this is a, root 5 y is taken as b. So a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b. So here a a plus b into a square. So a square. So it will be a. So a square minus ab. So a into b. So a into b. So b plus b square. So this b square. So this b is root 5y. So root 5y whole square. So equals to 3x plus root 5y into 3 square. It will be 9x squared minus. So 3 root 5. So 3 root 5xy plus root 5 whole square. It will be 5y squared. This is your answer. So it is factors. I will be sending all these questions to you so you practice them. So we have come to the end of this chapter. So in the next class we are going to begin chapter number 3. Then after that chapter 3 it will take hardly only one class because all those things you have got in class 8. So for today we have come to the end of the class. Thank you.